Welcome back, guys. CPU companies like AMD and Intel are facing many issues with their processors. Intel is having issues with crashing and AMD is facing quality issues. ARM-based chip companies are laughing in the corner and most likely sweeping the market. So let's have a look what's going on. There is no fix for Intel's crashing 13th and 14th gen CPUs. Any damage caused to these CPUs is permanent. Intel previously told us that high voltage and bad microcode was the sole cause of these crashes. But now Intel confirms that high voltage isn't the only reason for these failures. They are still not sure what's the main reason. The major downside of this problem is that the return rate of Raptor Lake processors is 4 times of previous gen CPUs. Even if the patch rolls out next month, it is still not guaranteed that affected processors can be brought back and that the damage caused by these crashes is irreversible. That does not sound good. OpenAI has announced their own search engine called SearchGPT. This new search engine is designed to give timely answers to the questions. It is still a prototype for now and is powered by GPT-4 family of models. It is not available to everyone yet. Only 10,000 test users have access to it. It seems like OpenAI is openly going after major search engines like Google and Bing. It would be interesting to see how Google reacts to this with their own AI model, Gemini. AMD has delayed the launch of Ryzen 9000 chips until August to ensure CPU quality. They have also pulled back shipped units for quality checks. It seems like there were some typos on chips and that the chips were mislabeled. Just like Intel, AMD is also not having a smooth ride with their new processors. Since Intel is having a hard time right now, it was a good time for AMD to shine, but they missed it by making this simple mistake. iPhone 16 may not get Apple Intelligence at its launch in September. As reported by Bloomberg, Apple Intelligence won't be part of initial launch of its new operating system, that is iOS 18.0. It will be introduced later in October with the release of iOS 18.1. Apple Intelligence will be the main selling point of iPhone 16 and delaying those AI features is not a good idea. Users will have to wait for a whole month to get their hands on those AI features. Google apologizes after 15 million Chrome users lost access to their passwords. According to Google, this problem persisted for nearly 18 hours and for all of this time, users were unable to access their password manager. The root cause of this problem was a change in product behavior without proper feature guard. That's quite mouthful. This problem affected 2% of user base and is now fixed. That will be all for this video. See you in the next one.